Use Samsung Dex wirelessly on the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. First of all, you have to open Settings and move to the Connected Devices. Right now, go into the Samsung Dex. And now just make sure that you just simply turn on your device. So in this case, I'm going to use the Dex with my TV. As you can see, it's turned on. So now I have to click to connect wirelessly, just like this. And now it's searching for compatible devices. Now I'm gonna select my TV from available devices list, and I have to click Start Now in the right bottom corner. And as you can see now on my TV, I've got pairing request that I have to accept. So now let's accept this request. And as you can see right now, I can open a touchpad on my phone. So the touchpad icon on the navigation bar on the left bottom corner, it is just over here. And take a look, we are here connected with the Dex on TV. So that's pretty cool. As you can see now, I'm using just the screen of my S25 FE as a mouse, as a trackpad. And yeah, you can for sure connect the wireless mouse and keyboard to even expand your experience. But yeah, that's basically everything for this video. I hope you find it useful.